Hello guys, today I'm gonna introduce the Makita compound missile, just model, the model of this product LS1019L. Yes, this product is use the cutting blades 255 until 260 millimeter. Yes, this is also the AC product. AC will use the power that rush from the electric plug. And then you see this is a this is a FE cut. Yes, FE cut and special cut, and the surface is fine. And then how about round per minute? This blade 5,870 round per minute, and then for the cut wood and the teeth 45, and then for the thickness of the blade can cut the wood and cut surface around 2.15 millimeter. Yes, and then and this is lock. When we turn it on and lock, lock, and then this is the clamp. This is the protect cover. Yes, and for the meter, meter the degree, you can cut until meter degree. We can cut. Yes, and then a bevel degree also. And then this is a lock head. And then the Makita's compound missile can attach with just a stand. This is stand. Model of the stand is WST05. Yes, the Makita is good. This is a dust bag when we cut and the dust into this bag, and then we can bring it out by this way. And this point is lock and unlock bevel, lock and unlock bevel cutting, and this is also lock and unlock bevel. Yes, also 48 degree. And then we see this is a cover protect the user from cutting from the dry of the wood. Yeah, this is the Makita technology. One is a DHT, deep extra cutting. Yes, deep extra cutting for just the motor is right decline. Yes, decline, and the cutting is more deep than normal motor, and then we can cut. Yeah, this is a special light blade for cordless saw. Yes, and we can use this one. Okay. Okay, this is unlock. Yeah, and this is lock bevel cutting. This is unlock for the meter. Sorry. This is also this is the lock limit. Lock limit of degree when we use it. For example, just we move and until the lock point is 22. Yes, this is lock point 22, and then we unlock it, and then 0 to 45. Okay, when we use it with stand WST05, so more comfort. Yeah, compact and easy to use for the job site. Yes. Yes, thank you so much for watching my video, and this is an experience one for the guy that want to choose a compound install the Makita with the stand. Yes, thank you very much. Please